Yeah. Do you remember when Mom was that little?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Hey, 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 hey. Come down. No.
No, look.
Look at that frown.
But I want them.
And have them. I got your fingers now. Look at Alan. Look at Alan. Uncle there.
Do you remember when Darlene was that little?
Oh yeah. You never forget.
Yeah.
All these wild kids. No. No, she wasn't too bad. She was like, ah.
It was the other boys.
Daniel was noisy one. He was more, not that he was mean, but I think he was just more mischievous. He got into everything. Shh, 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 shh. What are you telling us? What are you telling us? Did you hear somebody running around there?